Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. Katapusan na naman ng 2020. May plano po ba kayo magpakasal next year or mag-apply abroad? Well, kailangan niyo po ng CENOMAR or Certificate of Singleness or No Record of Marriage. This certificate is usually valid for 6 months from the date of issuance. And due to pandemic, please be advised of delays in payment confirmation, document processing, and delivery. So sa Metro Manila and Luzon po, it will be processed 3 weeks after payment, and for Visayas and Mindanao delivery, 4 weeks after payment. So sa video na to, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-apply ng CENOMAR online. Let's start! So first, punta po muna tayo sa website ng PSA, which is www.psaservicelist.com.ph. Then after that, ito po yung lalabas, important notice, na nakalagay po dito that civil registry documents can only be issued to the following. So basahin niyo pong maigi, and may nakalagay din po dyan kung ano yung requirements kapag wala yung nag-request. Click niyo po yung okay. So, step 1 po muna tayo. Okay? Sa step 1, we need to complete all the details. So, click here to request now. Ayan. So, meron po dyan terms and conditions. Pakibasa na lang po na maigi. So, no refund and no cancellation policy for all the services of PSA. Kapag nabasa nyo na po yan, click nyo po yung I accept. Then, ito po yung mga details na kailangan yung fill upan. Yung requester's name, yung delivery address. Okay, and on the right side, may nakalagay po dyan kung magkano po yung babayaran. So, if it's CENOMAR, it's 430 pesos or $25.30 per copy if i-deliver sa ibang bansa. Nakalagay din po dyan yung telephone number, email address, and tax identification number, which is optional. Then, click nyo po yung next. Then, ito po yung lalabas. It's a confirmation notice, and nakalagay po dyan yung delivery schedule ng PSA. Then, after that, basahin nyo lang po yan, then press confirm. So, ito po yung request summary. Click nyo po yung CENOMAR. So, again, kailangan nyo pong fill upan yung details, yung name, sex, place of birth, date of birth, father's name, mother's maiden name, and the purpose. So, kung for, ano po siya, marriage purpose, click nyo po yung others. Then, kailangan nyo pong ilagay dyan sa particulars yung marriage purpose. Ayan. So, nakalagay nga po dyan yung notice of delay due to pandemic. Ayan. So, basahin nyo lang po yan. May mga options po dyan if you want to use FedEx if you're going to deliver outside the country. Then, after that, click nyo lang po yung save. Ito po yung lalabas, confirmation of details. Press nyo lang po yung confirm. Okay, then click submit. So, ito na po yung summary of your request. Then, meron po dyan ng mga choices for the payment. Click nyo po yung pay online via credit card. Ayan. So, nakalagay po dyan yung terms and conditions on how to pay online. So, pag nabasa nyo na po yan, click I accept. And then, proceed na po kayo sa payment. Ayan. So, may mga options po dyan kung ano pong klase ng card yung gagamitin nyo. It's either Visa, MasterCard, JCB, or American Express. After payment po, makakatanggap po kayo ng email from PSA. So, basically, that's it po. Thank you for watching. Bye!